Unit 6, page 48. Read. Exercise 2. Read and listen to the text.
A flying visit to the park. Michael Holmes first jumped from a plane when he was 16. Holmes loved the experience and he started skydiving frequently. He jumped 1,000 times before he was 19. Later, Holmes studied to become an instructor and he worked in New Zealand. One morning at an airport near Lake Taupo, he prepared for a routine jump. First of all, Holmes checked his equipment: his jumpsuit, goggles, gloves, helmet and boots. After that, he checked the most important parts of a skydiver's equipment: his harness and his 2 parachutes. There was a main parachute and a smaller safety parachute. Finally, he looked at his altimeter. There weren't any problems, and he was ready for the jump. There were 16 students and instructors and the pilot on the plane. The plane climbed slowly to 4,500 meters, and then one of the instructors opened the door. It was time to jump. There was a small camera on Holmes' helmet, so that he could film the instructors with their students. They wanted to freefall for 3,000 meters and then open their parachutes. As soon as Holmes jumped out of the plane, he filmed the skydivers. Then he looked at the altimeter on his wrist. It was time to open his own parachute. But he couldn't. The cords from his parachute were stuck together. It was impossible to open. Then he quickly tried to open the safety parachute, but there was a problem. He couldn't open it because of the cords from the main parachute. He was only 1,000 meters from the ground, and his life was in danger. He decided to cut the cords with a penknife, but it was too late. Holmes looked down at the ground. He could see a car park and a park next to it. He talked to the camera on his helmet. "I'm dead! Bye!" he shouted. Suddenly, he landed in some bushes in the park. However, he wasn't dead. His left ankle and a lung were hurt, but he was alive thanks to the bushes. He was in hospital for